Grüß dich zurück zu der Invincible. Wir sind, ich schätze mal, nicht mehr weit vom Ende entfernt. Mein gut, das habe ich jetzt schon des Öfteren gesagt, aber naja. Schauen wir mal, was unserer guten Jasna noch so einfällt, was sie noch...
Oh, I didn't tell you the most important thing. Condor's here, on this planet.
Condor?
Yes. Looks like HQ got it all mixed up. Both the arrival time and the ship itself.
What? That's unbelievable. How could the intelligence be so wrong? As soon as we return, I'll break their... No, never mind.
If we don't have a better plan, I want to go there.
To Condor?
Yes. Their scientists had the equipment and time that we don't have. They could have discovered something important, unless they flew away.
All right. We'll do as you say, Doctor. Just reject.
In der Zwischenzeit habe ich mir die Mühe gemacht, mal auf Amazon geschaut, ob es das Buch auch gibt. Ja, es gibt's. Nennt sich Der Unbesiegbare von Stanislav Lem. Ja, und ich werde es mir bestellen. Nicht mal teuer für 14 Euro oder so. Kann man sich bestimmt was mal was anderes zu Gemüte führen. Was war hier bitte?
Yes. Rahitra has a rover.
Do you mean had, Doctor?
Well, well. You've never made jokes like that before, sir.
I'm just glad you're fine.
And that I'll rob that Alliance prick, huh?
Maybe. A little.
Let's go. We need to get to the end of this insane story.
Richtig. Ab zum Ende dieser unglaublichen Geschichte.
I'm wondering, what is Condor doing here?
I have no idea. Rahitra didn't tell me anything about it.
Ab durch den Tunnel, oder? Aha. Na komm, ich will jetzt nicht zu Fuß gehen. Ach, ist das herrlich. Ich glaube, wir laufen nun auf das Ende zu. Ich hoffe es zumindest. Es ist, wie gesagt, ich habe es ja schon erwähnt, wie in der letzten Aufnahme, mindestens eine Stunde zu lang. Wir sind jetzt hier. Wir müssen rechts. Okay. Aber es war wirklich mal was anderes. Hm?
I've driven to the place where they were stationed before they set up the base.
Do you want to stop?
Ja, was jetzt, Jasna? Also, wir steigen mal aus. Irgendwie habe ich so das Gefühl, wir müssen aussteigen.
Okay. Maybe I'll find something worthwhile.
Naja, außer ein paar Roboter, ja.
There's several Arctons here.
Are they still working?
Yes. I wonder for how long.
Du bist ein sehr neugieriges Näschen, gell, Mädchen?
Sometimes I think we don't stand a chance.
What are you talking about?
About us, Astrogator. Humans. Biological organisms. All this so-called life is so fragile compared to the lifelessness of machines.
So you found more bodies.
One.
Is it Milos?
No. Someone else.
Well, you can't help him anymore. But there are still people who are alive and need you. Let's not forget about them. As you said yourself, Doctor. Please keep going.
Es ist aber wirklich so. Ich meine, jetzt überleg mal und sei ganz ehrlich zu dir selber. Was hast denn du in deinem Leben für Aufgabe? Oder nennen wir es anders. Was ist deine Aufgabe hier eigentlich in deinem Leben? Du baust da was auf, sagen wir so, salopp formuliert. Du kommst auf die Welt, bist hilflos, baust dann was auf, beziehungsweise kommst du in die Schule, Kindergarten, Schule, dann gehst du in die Lehre oder gehst studieren, gehst dein Lebtag arbeiten, gründest eine Familie und irgendwann mal, gehst du in die Pension und dann verwelkt dein Leben. Ja genau, ich nenne es mal so salopp formuliert. Das habe mir die Frage stelle ich mir jetzt schon des Öfteren. Hier ist nix. Komm, Jasna, wir fahren weiter. Aber irgendwie will sie nicht. Ich kenne sie ja. Sie ist eine neugierige Nase. Ah, hier war was.
Hey, Milos, come in.
I'm using an open channel to broadcast.
Over. How's it going?
Are you receiving this, Astrogator?
Affirmative.
Milos, what do you think? What's gonna happen now? I have no idea. I've never seen anything like this before. Perhaps the higher-ups can do something. Hey! Hey, Maro! Sit down! I wish we had secured them better. But back to the matter. Have you found anyone else? One working Arctan so far. Several probes also seem... People, Rehitra. Only people matter. I know. The Arctan will help me look for them. I'm going away for a while. I stopped at the old excavations. I'll look for Pepsol. All right. I'll check the base again. Over and out. Rehitra, come here. I'm moving on. About Pepsol. There's nothing we can do for him anymore. Over and out. Hey, Milos. I hope you're still within reach. Listen, the Commonwealthers are here. I have one of them, a woman. I doubt she was alone, but I didn't see anyone else. I've already broadcast to the base. Just come back soon. I'm closing the channel. Talk to you later.
Okay, I think that's enough sightseeing for me. If Milos kept going, so should I.
Agreed.
Folge weiter dem Weg bis zum Kondor. Weißt du, dann stehst du in der Situation, so wie ich es zum Beispiel bin. Ich will jetzt da nicht melancholisch wirken. Sieht das geil aus. Ich will jetzt nicht melancholisch wirken, aber ich habe mir dann irgendwann mal die Frage gestellt, wo will ich hin in meinem Leben? Was passt jetzt hier gerade dazu? Weil ja das Thema jetzt sehr aufgekommen ist, wie zerbrechlich eigentlich die Menschheit ist. Oder der Mensch an sich selber. Wenn man ehrlich zu sich selber ist, wird man draufkommen, dass man eigentlich mit so vielen Kleinigkeiten seine Zeit im Leben verscheißt. Ja. Dass man sein Leben komplett umkrempelt. Komplett. Hoppala, falsche Richtung. Ich glaube, hier müssen wir runter. Na gut, dieses Lebensumkrempeln hat mich dann dazu gebracht, dass ich schon 3-mal in Belgien war, ne, zum Beispiel. Was ich mir vorher habe nie leisten können. Nee, ich muss hier zurück. Also, ich schau mal in eine andere Perspektive. Ich glaube, hier muss ich entlang. Ja. Ich hoffe es zumindest. Hä? Schauen wir hier nochmal auf die Karte. Ja, schön. Weiter geht's. Folge dem Allianz-Transport. Das muss ich aber trotzdem mal des Öfteren Pause machen. BZW. Hier müssen wir entlang.
I should move. Oh, there's no time.
Mädchen, für das, dass du keine Zeit hast.
There's a problem.
I'm listening.
The route they took is blocked by a force field. There must be an Energobot somewhere. But I don't know if I can get to it.
Maybe you can go around the field.
I'll check. Although... boulders are blocking the way. So even if I turn the force field off, we still can't proceed. It's pretty narrow here. The route is blocked all the way across. Even if I find a way, I'll have to continue without the rover.
Wouldn't make much sense. Please keep looking.
Ja, aber es nutzt nichts. Ich muss hier entlang. So, aber es hört auf wieder mit diesem melancholischen Gequatsche. Aber es passt gerade so richtig zur Stimmung vom Spiel.
A transporter. They're here. It's standing still. In front of the force field.
Is that Milos convoy?
I'll confirm soon, but yes. There's someone inside. More than one. 2.
And they're all in the transporter? Ready yourself for the worst, Doctor.
I am. Ready. I'm going in.
Ich würde sagen,
Actually, I'm squeezing in. Still, no one here. They must be in the back. The door won't budge. Power's off.
finde einen Weg, die Tür aufzuschließen.
Moment of truth. It's on.
Did the door open?
Ich würde sagen...
Not exactly. The inner door is still locked, and the outer door is just shut. I repeat, now all doors... Wait! The back door opened. Oh. No.
What?
This vehicle. It's a coffin, sir. A mass grave. They were all crammed in here. In the heat and darkness, with no chance of understanding what's going on.
Terrible death. I'm sorry you have to see that.
The number of registers, 428. Playing in broadcast mode.
You found more of those?
No. It started automatically.
Hello, Condor. This is Rohitra speaking. It's day 26, time 8:05. I'm continuing my search for the missing crew. I've checked the excavation area. I've yet to find others. Come here as soon as possible. We need backup. Over and out.
Armen Schweine.
Hello, Condor. This
Kurzer
is
Blick.
Rohitra speaking. It's day 26. Time is 8:05. I'm still searching for the missing crew. I've checked the excavation area, but
Are you hearing this, sir?
Yes.
we need help. Come
He's
first.
repeating himself.
Over and out.
But the recordings, they're
Hello,
slightly different.
Condor. This is Rohitra speaking. It's day 26, time 8:06. I've returned
So
from
he
the
not
excavation
reloses his
site.
memory like
I
me.
was looking for others,
That
but
memory never
they
returns
were
to
no
him.
longer there.
If all these recordings
I'll
have the
continue
same
my
content,
We're
He's
waiting
been
for
here for
your
far
support.
too long. Far too
Come
long
back,
not to
will
receive
you?
help from
Over
Condor.
and out.
damn.
Hello,
You're right,
Condor.
Nobody will
This is
come.
Rohitra speaking.
I'm
It's
afraid
day
there's not a soul
26,
here
time
on this damn planet,
8:06.
except for the
I've
three in the
returned
cave.
from
Yes,
the
I have a
excavation
request.
site.
I'm
I was
listening.
looking for others.
Let's skip
but
listening to the rest of the
They
recordings.
were no longer
Can
there.
you stop them?
I'll continue
No
my
way.
search.
I'm not
We're
going back
waiting
there.
for your support.
Well, let's
Come
change the
back,
channel.
will you?
One notch up.
Over and out.
That I can do.
Hello,
All right.
Condor.
Talk to you in a second.
This is Rohitra speaking.
Ah,
Much better. Richtig.
Agreed.
Müssen wir durch dieses Massengrab wieder durch, oder was? Armen Schweine. Hä? Ja, ich würde gern wieder zum Rover, aber irgendwie... Ah, ich glaube, ich muss hier wieder rauf. Oder auch nicht. Keine Ahnung. Achso. Rover, unser Rover, genau. Wo ist er denn? Hier ist er. Na, was ist jetzt? Also auf gut Deutsch gesagt ist dieser Planet einfach eine riesengroße Falle.
Astrogator, someone's firing distress flares from near the hideout.
Do you think it's Rohitra?
Who else could it be? Did he realize I ran away?
No. He broadcast a radio message, but didn't say a word about you. As if nothing had happened.
Oh. It means he just started a new cycle.
Please be more clear.
He fell asleep and forgot what happened the whole day. And once again, he will wake up on the 26th day of the mission.
I almost feel sorry for him.
Don't joke about it. If I don't snap him out of this cycle, he'll keep repeating it until he dies.
Or goes insane. Of course, I feel the tragedy of this man. You want to rescue him, even though he's still a threat. You don't have to say anything.
Ach Mädchen. Du bist ja auch wirklich so ein gutmütiger Kerl. Naja. Ja. Na dann schauen wir mal. Wie gesagt, ich bleib dabei. Über eine Stunde zu lang. Das Ganze. Zu viel Leerlauf. Aber ansonsten war es mal ein echt interessanter Ausflug. Ja, muss ich schon sagen. Wieso bist du jetzt stehen geblieben? Weil es hier nicht mehr weitergeht mit dem Rover. Müssen wir jetzt alles zu Fuß machen, oder was? Oh.
He could literally erase me from this planet if he wanted to. I know what's at stake. I can handle it. All right, Rahitra. Where are you hiding?
Has he already left? Don't you see him?
I don't. But he's here.
Aber wie gesagt, ich mag den Charakter irgendwie. Mir ist diese Jasna sympathisch.
Hey! Who the hell are you?
Here we go again.
What are you doing here?
Good night, Doctor.
Take it easy, Rahitra.
What? How do you...
I'll tell you everything. Just shut up for a moment and listen.
I will not!
Rahitra, for fuck's sake! Do it for Spluskas and Lendor.
You're not beating around the bush, Doctor.
You think it's the 26th day of the mission. Just after the attack on your base that left many of you in critical condition. But the truth is much worse. Milos left a long time ago.
What? How do you...
You fell victim to that attack as well. The microbot cloud has wiped all traces of your comrades' memories. Your long-term memory is probably fine. That is, up until the moment you found them. You keep forgetting everything that comes after. I have reason to believe it happens during sleep. As a result, you relive the same day over and over, waiting for backup that will never arrive.
The micro... what? Cloud? That's bullshit! I don't know what you're trying to achieve, but...
Focus, Rahitra. We've already met once. We spoke in your hideout. You've had me at gunpoint already. Look at yourself. Look at Spluskas and Lendor. Did you all have beards yesterday?
Don't mess with my head. Milos will come.
Milos is dead. They're all dead. They've been lying nearby for hundreds of days. You were supposed to go and check why contact was lost. You were supposed to leave tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes.
Stop it!
I know that it's hard for you to believe. I'm not against you. I came back to help you.
No, I'm warning you. I'll use my gun.
Rahitra, I know you won't shoot me.
Fuck! How long have I been here?
Good. You're finally getting to him.
428 days. At least, that's how many times you've broadcast your morning message to Milos.
This cloud?
A result of the evolution of inorganic beings. It attacks the most important parts of biological organisms. Our brains. It responds to radio waves. That's how it found our crew.
Damn it. Every time I broadcast, there's a wave bombarding all devices. This electromagnetic field. The cloud produced it.
Doctor,
That's right. This is how it damages our brains. Our robots and all machinery.
Hate to interrupt, but we have a problem. The cloud is coming.
Right now.
Yes, it's closing in on you. Hurry us.
Copy that.
What's going on? Who are you talking to?
This is a topic for another time. The cloud will be here soon. Quick, lead to the hideout. Now, move!
Can it get through the force field?
Hey! What are you trying to do?
I'm done waiting. There's no need to anymore. There's no one left to look for. All that's left is revenge.
Astrogator, I think he wants to fight.
What a fool. Can't you stop him somehow? He'll cause trouble for both of you.
I don't think so. He's already opened the field.
Listen, you can't beat him, join him. You have a much better chance of survival if you stick together.
Hey! You! What's your name, anyway?
Yasna.
I'm... whatever. You know already.
What's this?
You familiar with the energy transformation of Dirac emitters? Thought so.
The emitter's energy system isn't
Here,
that complicated.
take it. You can help. By shooting. I'll take care of maintaining the force field. When you aim, wait for the green light. Then you can take the shot. The device is connected to 3 combat machines.
Okay. Sounds simple.
Check.
Hear you. Over.
Let's stay in touch.
Copy that.
It's getting closer.
I don't see it.
Soon it'll be within range of the guns. It's coming from the east, over the hill. All right.
Damned flies!
Flies?
Later, Rahitra. Later. Affirmative. I see it.
Ja. Ich kann nicht schießen.
Power, 60%.
What? Why not 100?
Trust me, it's better this way. We don't want to go full power yet.
Ja, ich kann nicht schießen. Was soll ich Scheiße? Ich hab gedacht, wenn es grün ist, kann ich schießen. Und das für ein Scheiß. Ja.
I got some. Did it help?
Ja, ich kann nicht schießen oder ich weiß nicht, wie das funktioniert, keine Ahnung. Ach so.
What is it? What should I do? Come on! Tell me where to shoot!
That's not so easy. There's too many. Just shoot them. Oh, come on.
Game over.
Damn. If this keeps up.
Naja.
Don't you give up now! You wanted this fight, so fight! field keeps shrinking. Do something about it, will you? Rahitra, are you there? What's going on with you?
Tja, ich glaube... Ich glaube, der hat aufgegeben, ha?
You've got to be kidding. Rahitra, you coward! Where are you? Say something! What, the cloud is too scary for you after all? Come back here and fight!
Yasta, get up. We're getting out of here. Yasta, get off your ass. The field's almost gone.
Where the hell have you been?
I had to secure my people.
We can't stay here anymore. It's too exposed. We have to run.
But where?
Isn't it obvious? Condor.
You don't actually expect anyone on the ship to have survived, do you?
I'm not that naive. I need the Condor itself.
In order to...
Have the entire arsenal of our flagship at our disposal. We might be losing now, but it doesn't mean we can give up. We'll send the Cyclops out to fight.
Cyclops? That's a code name for...
It's more of a moniker for an 80-ton machine with firepower exceeding all Antimids combined. We usually use it in conditions of high radiation contamination, enormous pressures and temperatures. Due to the interference of the force field, it floats several feet above the ground. So it doesn't depend on the surface.
Well, I hope you're right. Because I've heard about your power more than once. And all I see is one defeat after another.
In this case, Yasna, it's not just empty boasting. Sending the Cyclops somewhere is like giving the task to the devil himself. Look, I'm giving you a simple choice, Yasna. Are you going or not?
Go where there could be water, medicine, resources, or stay here to die. Wow, such a hard choice. I hope I won't regret it. Too bad you didn't mention earlier that you had a working saucer. We could fly to Condor right away. Or even into orbit.
Working is a big word. It's just a tin can with a couple of sputtering engines. Controlling it technically doesn't work.
Somehow it does not surprise me. Let's fly.
Just a minute. I'm waiting for the force field to shut down, which should be soon. On your ass.
Hold on, was it? He's not here.
Rahitra, he took his men to the ship. They're inside now. You had rather a hard landing.
How do you know all this?
Well, I heard him talking to them. To you.
Didn't he notice I wasn't responding?
Yes, he did. He said he'd be back.
Geh an Bord des Condors.
If he expected me to wait here, he's sorely mistaken.